Welcome back to my channel English Story Academy. Before we begin, if you love heartfelt and magical stories, don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell, so you never miss our next tale. Now, this is the story of Letters Never Sent. In a quiet attic, inside a box tied with faded ribbon, lay dozens of old letters. They were written by a young woman named Clara, but none of them had ever been sent. Each envelope carried a name and address, but no stamp. For years, they sat in silence, gathering dust. Until one afternoon, Clara's granddaughter, Anna, discovered them. She untied the ribbon, unfolded the first letter, and began to read. "My dearest friend," it began. "I never told you how much your kindness saved me. I was too shy, too afraid. But if you ever wonder, know that you mattered more than you'll ever realize." Anna's eyes blurred with tears. Letter after letter revealed secrets Clara had never spoken aloud, words of love, gratitude, even apology. There was a letter to her childhood best friend she lost touch with. One to her father, who passed away before she could say goodbye. And one to a man whose name Anna had never heard, simply signed, "To the one who held my heart." Anna realized her grandmother had carried so many words unspoken. Not because she didn't feel them, but because sometimes, life passes too quickly. Clara never meant to leave the letters behind. But perhaps, in a way, she wanted someone to find them. Anna made a decision. She began to deliver the letters, one by one. To the old neighbor down the street, who cried when she read Clara's words of thanks. To the son of Clara's best friend, who learned his mother had once been someone's whole world. And to the empty grave of Clara's father, where Anna read the letter aloud beneath the setting sun. Each delivery stitched together a piece of Clara's unfinished story. The final letter remained, the one addressed to the man who held Clara's heart. With trembling hands, Anna searched. She followed hints in the words, old records, fading memories, until she found him. He was an elderly man living quietly by the sea. When Anna handed him the letter, his hands shook. He whispered, "She never forgot me?" And as he read Clara's words, his eyes filled with both sorrow and peace. Anna realized something that day. Words left unspoken never truly disappear. They wait, like seeds, for someone brave enough to carry them into the world. Clara's letters, though never sent in her lifetime, had finally found their way home. So if there's something in your heart you've been waiting to say, don't wait too long. Some letters are meant to be sent. This was Letters Never Sent. If this story touched you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone you care about. And tell me in the comments, if you could write one letter you've never sent, who would it be for? Until next time, keep telling your stories.